Look what your boy got. Hopefully this right here stop my stream from, crashing. Let's see. 16, do the math.
Stay the same, even when they change it up. They ask me how I came up, cause I stayed down. Why would I change up? Them people know my name now. It's crazy how I got the fame. My life's so
ready to fire this thing right here. Let's get it. Alright. We got this thing fired back up.
I was thugging in the trenches, trying to make it out of this poverty. Yelling gang to the enemy.
Alright, y'all, as you can see, we up to 48 gigs install RAM. You know, we're gonna end up changing a lot of this other stuff too, but yeah. We definitely gonna stream soon.